Hey folks, it's me again. Welcome back to my channel. Today is the first day of spring in Germany, in southern Germany where I live, and everything's better when the sun shines. And everything's better when you got a great Martin on your lap. This is a Martin D-18 Authentic 1937, which is basically a non-VTS, non-aged replica of the maybe greatest year for Martin D18s. The Martin D18 is my favorite model on the planet. Mahogany back and sides, ebony fretboard, mahogany neck. Headstock veneer is Brazilian rosewood. It has the Adirondack top. Did I mention that? And it has the forward shifted scallop bracing. I strung it with Elixir phosphor bronze mediums, nano webs, and the sound is, it has the non-adjustable truss rod, the steel T-bar, and it sounds like this. Playing with a blue chip TD35. It simply fills the room. It has so much protection, bass. Look, the perfect dreadnought doesn't have to be an extreme bass monster. The bass, in my opinion, has to be well put in a total mix if you want. So this is not too much bass. I mean, all good dreadnoughts are a bit on the bass heavy side of things, but the trebles are incredible. For strumming. It's loud, it's clear. capo it on the 4th fret. Can get really loud, but it's also very sweet, and I don't know if you can hear it, but the single notes pop out really. Every part of it vibrates, sings, swings. Just for the fun of it, let's throw in, for comparison reasons, my Martin D-18 Golden Era Custom. It's a bit softer, maybe not as loud. Sweet as well. Back to the authentic. I mean, the bracing is the same, the neck is, other than the adjustable truss rod on the Golden Era Custom and the steel T-bar on the 37 Authentic. Other than that, they are pretty much the same. Both have that quite chunky V-neck, but really comfortable to play. This one has the medium strings on it, whether the Golden Era Custom has the lights. D-18 Authentic 1937 by Martin Guitars. Non-ETS, non-aged, simply a great guitar. Have a nice day, bye bye.